Hello and welcome to this new video on how to be an Airbnb cleaner. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my further videos. And let's get started. So first step that you need to take is research your local market and identify your opportunities. After that, you just need to acquire necessary skills and training to be a cleaner in Airbnb. And when you have done that, you just need to establish your Airbnb cleaning business. And when you have established your Airbnb cleaning business, you need to obtain license and permit to follow through your business. And when you have done that, you just need to define your services and cleaning rates. And when you have done that, the most important part is invest in professional cleaning supplies and equipments. And when you follow all the steps that I have said you, then you can establish a successful Airbnb cleaning business. So this is how you can be an Airbnb cleaner. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.